Smart Communications Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Smart Communications products and plans are in the description below. Smart Communications, one of the leading mobile operators in the Philippines, offers a range of flexible services aimed at both individual and business users. With a strong focus on providing high-speed internet, Smart delivers 4G LTE and 5G coverage across key cities and regions, ensuring reliable connections for streaming, gaming, and everyday mobile use. Their prepaid, postpaid, and data-centric plans offer something for everyone, from casual users to heavy data consumers. Smart also provides value-added services such as Smart Pay, Smart Giga, and exclusive entertainment bundles, enhancing their appeal beyond just mobile connectivity. Smart's major strength lies in its vast 4G LTE and expanding 5G network coverage, which is particularly robust in urban centers like Metro Manila. Their investment in 5G technology promises faster speeds and lower latency for users, making it an attractive option for those who want top-tier mobile internet. The flexibility of their prepaid plans is another strong point, with options that allow users to control how much data, talk time, and text allowances they need. Smart's postpaid plans are competitive, offering good value with reasonable prices and a range of bundled services that suit customers looking for a more comprehensive mobile package. However, Smart does have a few drawbacks. Their network coverage, although excellent in urban areas, can be spotty in more remote and rural locations. Users in these areas may experience slower speeds or weaker signals. Additionally, some customers have reported that Smart's customer service, while generally helpful, can experience delays during peak times. Pricing can also be a little higher than other local providers, particularly for heavy data users. In conclusion, Smart Communications is an excellent choice for users who need fast internet, great urban coverage, and flexible mobile plans. If you're willing to invest in these benefits, Smart provides a top-tier mobile experience. Check out the links in the description for the latest plans and offers from Smart Communications.